Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 cannot connect to this network error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a search box and type a control panel. Go to your control panel, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, select the adapter which you use to connect your internet. So right click, go to your properties and click on internet protocol version 4 and go to your properties. Select the obtain IP address automatically and DNS server addresses automatically. Click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, close it. The second method is that click on icon, click on Wi-Fi icon, select a internet connection, click on connect, enter password, click on next button. Okay guys, after I close it, the third method is that going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your network and internet, click on advanced network settings, click on network reset and click on reset now. When you click on a reset now, it's required for a few minutes, and after a few minutes your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel, go to your control panel, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, select the adapter which you use to connect your internet, right click on disable, and after a few seconds once again click on a right click and click on enable. Now connected. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator and click on yes button to continue. First of all, command type a command is netsh space winsock space reset. After doing this type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this type a command is ipconfig space slash flash dns and press enter. After doing this type a exit and exit the command prompt. The next method is that in the search box, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your systems, click on a troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot, click on network connection and click on run. Click and close, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.